Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by fixing prerequisites, Node LTS, package manager, and a repo with CI. Once in place, scaffold a minimal package, JSON and entry point. Choose your core model, component API, reactivity, or data binding, and implement a tiny render loop to prove the idea. Make sure tests and lint run on commit. Start with one concrete feature, a state container and mount function. That first working cycle gives momentum and clarifies design trade-offs for the framework you will build. Once the prototype renders, expand your core, formalize the state model, and implement deterministic change detection plus a batched update cycle. Integrate a bundler and define module boundaries so consumers can tree shake. Iterate API ergonomics, concise component signatures, predictable lifecycle, and developer-friendly hooks. Make sure type definitions and source maps are accurate for debugging. Write integration tests that simulate real apps and use benchmarks to find bottlenecks before adding advanced features like SS. To finish, prepare clear docs, examples, and a changelog, then set semantic versioning and a CI release pipeline. Optimize hot paths and minimize runtime size, include plugins or opt-ins rather than monoliths. Publish to the registry and announce migration guides. If something breaks, bisect commits to isolate the failing change quickly and run integration tests in a clean environment. Keep feedback loops short, triage issues, patch regressions, and release incremental improvements so users can adopt safely and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.